Okay, my dear friends, TL-448 from Bajato Automotive Lighting. This is a new lamp for replacement in tractors. 12-volt bulb can be used for indication and tail stop. It has a taper slant body with a nice EPDM rubber pad at the back. The center distance between these two bolts is given on your screens. This is available in left and right. This lamp is used in Ford, David Brown, New Holland tractors. As per the shape of this lamp, if it suits any of the other tractors, it can be used universally also. Nice materials, sturdy lamp from the house of Bajato. If you want to buy this lamp, order this lamp, do write to us on the email IDs and the WhatsApp number given on your screens. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel for constant videos on automotive lighting. Thank you. Bye-bye.